Hello everyone, today I would like to show you a simple trick which is creating hundreds of folders in just a single click. Without any further ado, so let's get started into the video. First, you have to open an Excel by clicking on search box and then search for Excel and press enter. Excel will open. So after open then Excel, you just click on blank book, and then I suggest you should go with column B because I'll use column A for the command. Yes, I will tell you later. So now we want a hundreds of folder. What you need to define is to define a 100 name also. Yes. For me, I will choose my name as the name of folder that I will generate. So I just put my name here, and then to define that each of the hundreds folder has a unique name, I will put its numbers behind my name. So I'm going to start from 01 until 100. So by doing the same way in the folders number 2, let's put it 02. Yes. After that, I will generate it until 100 by drag it down. So let's see here. So now I got 100 name which is completely different by the name. So what you have to define the name is you have to put a unique name, and then one more important thing is you don't have to space it. For example, like this, for name of the folder number 1, you don't have to space like this. If you want a space, you need to put underscore like this to make sure it no any space on your name, on your folder name. Yes. For the column A, what you need to put is you use a command make directory, and then you have to drag it down here. So I'm going to put it here, MD here, which is the abbreviation of the word make directory. Yes. So now I will drag it down to make it behind every name of 100 folder. Here. After you have the command and the name of your folder, what you need to do is to open a notepad. So by open notepad, you need to click on the search box again and then type for notepad and press enter. Notepad will open. So after open the notepad, what you need to do is to copy your command and your name of the hundreds folder. Click Ctrl C to copy and switch window to notepad that you have opened previous, and then paste the content that you copy from Excel into the notepad. Here is the content that I have copied from Excel, which is the command and the name of my 100 folder. After you paste the content in the notepad, what you need to do next is to save as. Remember, not just a normal cell, it's save as. Yeah. So click on save as, and then choose the location that you want or your hundreds of folder to generate in. So for me, I will choose desktop because it also easily to show you guys and how it works. So on the file name, I will delete this, and then I put the name. Any name you want to put, you can put, but for me, I will put my name. And the important part is the extension. Generally, when you create a notepad, the extension is automatically .txt. But now you have to be careful with the extension. So what you need to put is .bat. And then one more important thing, you have to change the cell as type from text document to all file. Yes. After everything is done, you now can click on the button save. After save, it will generate a file. Let me show you. I will go to the desktop here. It will generate a file, and the icon looks completely different from a normal folder, and also it have a .bat extension. So here, let's see the magic. After I click open it, 100 folder will generate in here. So let's go open. So command execute, yes. All of my 100 folder are generated. Here you can see how easy it is. So you can use this simple trick to create your folder for your work or any work that you want to work with folder and a lot of folder. So you don't have to create it one by one. You can use this simple trick to create, and your work will going faster. So that's it for my video. Let's see you guys on the next video.